From what we've heard from the kids, they say that when they get something like this, that it comes from people that don't even know them, that it shows them that the community out there cares about them, even though they don't know who we are. I was at church and they talked a sermon about feeding children, and I thought, okay, I hear you, I'm supposed to do something. We started to fundraise in February of 2013. We gave our first bags to 42 kids in 3 schools. That's how we got started, and it's just grown from there. It really is heartwarming to see the next generation come that are so philanthropic and gung-ho about helping their fellow peers. I got a little note from one of the boys way back, and it said, "I don't know you, but in my heart I do. Thank you so much for feeding me." I mean, I've kept that. It made me cry. My daughter is a graphic design artist, and she got 4 little stickers made that just tells them you're loved, think big, you make a difference in the world. And then we got every group that packs for us, we asked them to make cards. And they're just simple little 3x5 cards that just say something inspiring to them. One of the little girls said, "Those cards mean more to me than my food. I keep every single one of them, and I'm making a book so that when I get sad, I can open my book and look at all the cards." It's heartwarming to see how many people are under the radar out in the community doing such great work. It's like a pebble, and we throw it in the water, and just to see the ripple effects that go out is really fun and amazing.